Turn it off.
Okay.
It's at 1%.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Little Creek, Virginia to Cape Henry, Virginia, including the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. Chesapeake Bay from New Point Comfort to Little Creek, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from Smith Point to Windmill Point, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay from Windmill Point to New Point Comfort, Virginia. Coastal waters from Paramore Island to Cape Charles Light, Virginia. 20 nautical miles James River from James River Bridge to Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel. Rappahannock River from Urbana to Windmill Point. York River until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts and dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots. This storm was located over Hampton Flats, moving northeast at 50 knots. Locations impacted include Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel, Little Creek, Whitestone Bridge, Windhaven, Latimer Shoal, San Marcos Wreck, Windmill Point, Bluefish Rock, Rappahannock Reef, Gwynns Island Reef, Cabbage Patch, Nanjula Pungosi Reef, Thimble Shoals, New Point Comfort, Mojack Bay, Stingray Point, The Hump, Bogosin, Rappahannock Rock, and Wolf Trap. Mariners can expect wind gusts in excess of 50 knots, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
Doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lancaster County, northeastern Gloucester County and southeastern Virginia, northern Matthews County, southeastern Middlesex County, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:43 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Blake's, or over Deltaville, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Lancaster, northeastern Gloucester, northern Matthews, and southeastern Middlesex counties, including the following locations: Fort Northman's, Hardyville, Dutton, Moon, Cobbs Creek, Foxwells, Amberg, Stampers, Reddard, and Hudgens. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so drive into areas where water covers the road.
Triple header. No way. Yes.
The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a tornado warning for western Hertford County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Gates County in northeastern North Carolina, southern Isle of Wight County in southeastern Virginia, southeastern Southampton County in southeastern Virginia, the southwestern city of Suffolk in southeastern Virginia, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Ahoskie and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. In addition, hail of 1.00-inch diameter or larger is possible with this storm. This dangerous storm will be near Winton, Cofield, and Como around 8:55 p.m. Wendigo around 9 p.m. Gates around 9:05 p.m. Holland and Whaleyville around 9:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hazleton, Muir, Barnesville, Riverdale, Wyman, Oakville, St. John, Union, Mapleton, and Shore Beach. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Doors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Quadruple?
Issued at
Yeah,
0650 p.m.